Namaste and hey there. My name is Ritu and I run a travel company named Ease India Travel from Pune in Maharashtra. I was out of home for about a month, nearly the whole month, as I was traveling from 19th of October onwards and I just got back home on 19th of November. The first leg of my trip was for about 10 days, where I was invited by the Arunachal Pradesh government to tour the state to conduct a reconnaissance and for marketing purposes in the future. Arunachal Pradesh is showcasing itself as a sustainable tourist place, and they wanted me and my other compatriots to figure out ways in which we could market Arunachal Pradesh effectively. After that 10-day trip, I headed to Darjeeling because I was in the region in the northeastern part of India. So I thought I would just hop over to Darjeeling. And then from Darjeeling, I came back to Pune briefly. And then I went on a road trip to Hyderabad. And then after I came back, I went to Kerala to visit my parents for Diwali. So the purpose of this video is basically to say that in this 1 month of traveling, I took about 7 flights. I was also on the road. I stayed in hotels, and when I reached Arunachal Pradesh, even prior to that, I had to take a COVID negative certificate with me. And when I reached Arunachal, I had to undergo a rapid antigen test, and which showed that I was not COVID positive. I have not contracted COVID yet. The reason why I wanted to share this is because, there is a presumably second, third wave happening in India right now, where numbers are rising drastically and everybody seems to have gotten COVID. So the reason I wanted to make this video is to share how I have luckily not contracted COVID and how I have managed to keep myself safe. So I followed 3 basic principles which are very common sense, which are very easy to follow, which I feel that if all of us followed even in our local interactions, which is to go to the grocery store or even visiting a doctor or a pharmacy or whatever it is that we do, or even friends. 3 common sense things that I adopted. One, I never took off my mask in public places. So I made sure that I constantly wore my mask inside aircrafts, inside airports, inside places where I was sure that I was going to be interacting with a lot of people from the public. General public, and even though there were times when I felt really hot inside the mask and sometimes even suffocated, I did not take it off. I did not take it off unless I was sitting in a place to eat, and then I was obviously perforce I had to take off my mask. But I again followed those very basic common sense precautions. Sanitize my hands before I touched my mask with my bare hands. That brings me to the second precaution that I took, which I call very common sense precautions. I literally carried a bottle of sanitizer with me, like most of us carry our phones. It was literally like a part of my body. It became an appendage. I would have it in my jacket pocket, in my jeans pocket. I would carry it in my hand if I didn't have a pocket, or in my bag or wherever. And I used it a lot. I know washing hands is better, but when you are traveling, chances are you may not have access to soap and water, especially on the road. But you have to keep yourself safe in these times, and so therefore that is what I did. I would mindfully sanitize my hands every time I touched any surface. So if I was giving money to someone, I would sanitize my hands and I would sanitize the change that I got. If I was, picking up, maybe chewing gum from a vendor, I would sanitize that. So I was sanitizing everything that my fingers were touching. All this while wearing my mask and not touching my mask with my hands. These were the first two basic common sense precautions I took. The third one, which I feel really helped me during my entire, sort of journeying, which happened, like I said, almost a whole month, was to keep my immunity up. So what I did is, this may not be a very popular view, but I'm a great believer of Ayurveda, and I purchased Patanjali's Coronil, and I had a look at the ingredients, and they seemed to me to be just some basic simple ingredients to keep your immunity boosted. So before I left on my trip, I took a 15-day course of Coronil, which included putting the nasal drops. In fact, I carried the nasal drops with me, and even though I wasn't consuming the tablets after 15 days, I continued to pour the nasal drops in my nose. I also made sure that, especially on my long trip, which was in Arunachal Pradesh and even Darjeeling for that matter, I got adequate sleep. And I made sure that even if I had to excuse myself from, an evening of frolicking and fun, I would do that, and I would get into bed to get my, requisite 7 to 8 hours of good deep sleep. And I did that so that my immunity is not compromised. Even though we were traveling a lot by road, even though the travel itself was a bit stressful physically, and I was also working because I was creating a lot of content, and I was constantly on the phone, messaging, receiving messages, posting things, etc. So I was a little bit under pressure as well, but I think the reason why I was able to keep my immunity up is because I slept really well and I did not compromise on it. The last leg, I compromised on my sleep for I think about 2 nights because I was with my family. I was celebrating Diwali, and we were having late nights and waking up early in the mornings. But I made up for it after I came back home and I took adequate rest, and I am now back on my feet, and I don't have COVID-19, and I haven't contracted it yet. So I have not been either asymptomatic or I haven't gotten any symptoms either. So I just wanted to say that, what I believe is that COVID-19 is here to stay. If we want to really protect ourselves, we need to just be mindful of our actions. Like I said, simple common sense precautions. Always wear a mask in a public place. Don't remove your mask until it's absolutely necessary, and if you're removing your mask, sanitize your hands before you do that, so that the virus, even if you have the virus in your hands, it's not touching your face, your mask, your neck, all of that. And keep working on your immunity, sleep well. Whatever we take in terms of supplements, a lot of people are taking supplements. I'm also taking a lot of supplements for other health reasons. But I feel that a good night's sleep is one of the best ways to build immunity, and this is something that I have practiced and gotten great results from. So I want to end this video by saying that thank you very much for watching. COVID-19 is here to stay. We need to deal with it. We need to continue to live with it. If you want to travel, and if you want to travel safely, just take these common sense precautions. Not just because you should not be contracting COVID, but I think the more important thing is that you should not be giving COVID to the communities you visit. And that was my primary objective. Even if I wasn't fearful of contracting it myself, I was fearful of giving it to people, especially if I was asymptomatic. So I just wanted to convey this message to everybody who's watching. Be safe, and I'll catch you again later. Bye-bye.